In today's video we are going to Singapore, yes, the land where all the hawker stalls are, the endless choice of food, Marina Bay Sands and the gardens by the bay. That's probably the first thing you will think of when you're going to Singapore. I'm really excited to be back in Singapore. It's not my first time here, but every time I visit this place, it feels unique. But instead of doing all those sightseeing, I'm going to focus a bit more on food and especially hawker stalls, because that's where the tourists go, right? Are you ready for my first day? Let's go, man. Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome in Singapore. So I just landed and just got my baggage also retrieved. I am standing at the Jewel, but it's not raining right now. I guess Jewel sleeps as well. I've never arrived in Singapore that late. And you can walk around a bit, and it has a lot of surrounding waterfalls. You can just walk. Oh, it's very wet, super wet over there. This place is amazing. It always amazes me when I come here. Never stops surprising me, man. Well, we gotta get some cash first, and well, I think I get it grabbed because it's already pretty late. It's I think it's around 10 or 11 p.m. already. But this place is super beautiful, man. It's like an inside forest within the airport. If you've never been to Singapore before, always do this visit, man. The Jewel visit, like over here. It's amazing, man. Never stops amazing me. Well, let's get to the hotel first, and then we'll talk further. Maybe we'll go to Chinatown. I don't know, man. Or maybe we'll skip it and just do tomorrow. We'll see. Alright, just checked in the hotel. Yeah, we're just at Dorsett Singapore, which is actually the same hotel I stayed in like 9 years ago. So I have my key card over here. I think it's 312. So this is the room, yo. It's the same thing like this. Like 9 years ago, they had the same thing. Yeah, let's just go in and see if anything has changed much. Alright, let's open the door. Oh, it's really hot. Alright, this is what it looked like after 20 hours of traveling. The room is not that big, so this is the room right now. But it'll do, you know. It's like enough for one person. Definitely for two persons is alright as well. So let's just do a quick room tour. Let's start with the bathroom. The bathroom is quite okay-ish. Look at this. So you got a sink over here. The toilet is next to it. Do we have any amenities? I don't know actually. Oh, we do. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Oh, toothpaste in a paper bag. Never seen that before. It's like usually it's come in like in a tube or something. Vanity kit. Let's see, shower cap. All your standard basic amenity stuff. Some soap. Filtered drinking water. 200 is reducing. Okay. Seems like you can drink this water. 2 towels and a swimming pool towel. A big spacious shower over here. And a rain shower as well. And some shampoo and I think bath or shower gel. And you got some this is like this is a closet. Oh, it's really compact. Everything is like built in. So this is your closet. Do they also have a... Oh, there's also like a shelf or storage thing over here outside the showers. But you got a lockbox over here, which is nice. What do they have over here? You can do laundries if you want to. I hardly do that. Well, it depends on how long you travel. If you travel more than 2 weeks, then you probably need to wash your clothes. But I always have like enough clothes to make it through the 2 weeks. So that's kind of nice. Big mirror. Piece it, man. 2 pillows, which I didn't mention yet. And this is where we are right now. So a fire escape, and we have this room over here. Some of the rooms are a little bit bigger, like these ones, but you don't really need it. You know, it's like there's only a room. You got some luggage space over here. The receptionist did say to me like Chinatown is still open till 1 or 2 a.m. I mean, and you can probably eat something still. Maybe I'll do that, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'll just she says it was like a 7 to 8 minute walk to Chinatown, so it's really close by. Is this a nice ooh, it's a nice soft bed, man. Oh, how are the pillows? The pillow test is always good. Stay green with us. They always have like these little signs that don't change your pillows or your linen. Quite nice pillow. Definitely nice pillows, man. Definitely nice. We have a desk over here. Yeah, you got your basic things like a lamp, desk lamp, some tissues, phone, a very basic chair. I would say this is one of the cheaper chairs I've seen for a hotel room. Is this a standard for Singapore hotels? I don't know, man. I've stayed in this hotel before, but I can't really remember if these were like normal like did they replace this one, or I don't know. Empty fridge. Just if you buy some stuff from 7-Eleven or Family Mart, then you can just store them over here. Are there any other things? There is a water cooker over here if you want to boil some tea and coffee. Basic coffee stuff, and not much else here. And a TV, of course. And we got a pretty nice view outside. Even though we're on the 3rd floor, you still have a nice, decent view. Like it's not like the best view or whatever, but you got some view on the road. I didn't really need it to have like a very high floor, so I don't really care about that stuff. But I did have one in Manila. In Manila, I had like the top floor, and you had like super nice view and those kind of things. But really, you don't really need that, man. So it's just an extra luxury you don't really need. This is where my headquarters is for the next 6 days in Singapore. So we will be eating a lot of things in here in Singapore. It's probably one of the most OG places I've seen today as of now. They have clay pot rice, they have porridge, they have Hainanese chicken, they have drinks over there, ate, mee hoon, or all the things you want to eat, they have it over here. It's just like 6 or 7 minutes walk from my hotel, and I got this amazing drink like Jupa Cha. $2, 2 Singapore dollars. This place is like, I don't think anything can top this up, man. It's like outside, all aunties and uncles are eating here. But it's amazing, man. But I'm still like dressed with this. The sweater is way too hot, man. The weather is so moist over here in Singapore. So that's my first reaction on this place. I'm sweating like bullets over here, man. Crazy. I just got some cash, so that is nice. But you can also pay like with credit cards and those kind of things. So it's not really a problem to pay with a card. And this place is open till 4 a.m. Look at this place, man. Doesn't get much better than this. I didn't go for the porridge. The porridge was a bit too big, but I ordered a Hombo Kaiting. Fried chili chicken, they call it. It's the most safe dish you can eat when you land after 20 hours of traveling. Alright, the food came. Look at this, man. That's crazy. Wow. That is proper, man. It's a lot of food for one person. Put it on the rice. That's how you properly eat it, yo. There's also a bit of veggies in here, but not a whole lot. Just a bit. Just a bit to get you going, man. Look at this chicken, yo. That is amazing. They also give you like a lot of peppers and all the sauce that is drenched in the rice. That's really amazing. Look at this, man. It's pretty tasty. It's not too spicy. It's okay. Okay to eat. That's a nice first meal in Singapore, man. It has not been a long time. I think 2 years ago I've been here, and we stayed in a different part of Singapore. So it was in, I think it was in the Arabic part, and that place had a lot of like different, also like a lot of curry, Arabic kind of dishes. So very different from here. I don't even know. Should I try one? It actually is not bad. It's actually edible. Oh, this is really nice. Peppers are not too spicy. Oozing, yo. This place opens till 4 a.m. yo. How crazy is that? There's not a single place in Europe that still opens at 4 a.m. Very tasty chicken. It's spicy, but not too spicy. You can actually share this with 2 persons if you want to. I usually don't eat this stuff, but this is really nice. Singapore, I already love you, man. Look at my rice bowl now. It's drenched. It's totally drenched in the sauce. There's literally no white speck of the white rice. But that's a good thing, right? They didn't go easy on the sauce. There's still a bit red. Let's get everything out. Oh yeah, baby. That's how you do it. They also give you like big pieces of ginger. You can also eat it if you want to. It's good for you. Good for your health. I used to not eat ginger, but I like it right now. Good for your health, you know. Big pieces of chicken, yo. I definitely get my protein load in today. Because big boys need to grow, right? I'm just talking trash, man. At this point, you can't even see my rice. It is so drenched in sauce. Look at this. It's like I'm eating sauce. I'm gonna scoop a little bit of the sauce out. It's a bit too much. Look at all the sauce. I kind of like spicy food, so and this one is spicy but not too spicy. To be honest, as the first meal, not too bad, man. Not too bad. that scoop of ginger and rice, so we're actually eating ginger rice as well. It's actually not the most cheapest thing I've seen, because this clay pot rice is 14 SGD. That it means 10 euro, so it's definitely not cheap. But, well, it's probably cheaper than in the shopping malls, I guess. Cheers everyone on the first day of Singapore. And this is the OG place I was talking about. Turn on the camera. This is amazing, this place. And it's only like 5 to 6 minute walk from my hotel, so really close by. Wow, there's so many animals over here, like rats and lizards and those kind of things. Oh man, it was a really good dinner. I think it's called Sing. It's got a weird name, like Tiong something. I don't know. Porridge. I probably leave a link down in the description what the restaurant's name was, but really nice place to eat. Definitely recommended. I would say definitely 9 out of 10, man. Really good. Had really good dinner. Good dinner in Singapore for first night. Not a bad way to start the vacation. So there will be more things to eat. We'll try a lot of new restaurants, new hawker stalls, those kind of things. Definitely hawker stalls are very interesting always to try, and why not? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.